In this video, guys, I wanted to share with you how I made $700 in one day doing high ticket affiliate marketing. So first, I want to share with you this result, August 24, $748 in one day. So basically, the strategy is to promote a high ticket offer. So I'm going to write here, high ticket offer. And so this product that you are going to promote, you need to be sure that you are going to earn at least between $500 to $1,000, so you can have a good profit for one sale. Okay, now you have here the product. So this is a digital product, right? And the next step after you have your high ticket product is to build. I'm going to put here number one, build your own funnel. So what does that mean? Let me change here the color. So a funnel is a series of steps through guide your visitors that is going to guide your visitors through a sales process. So step number one, step number two, and step number three. Basically, you have here a headline and an opt-in, so people can put their name and their email address. Here they're going to watch a video, and over there is going to be a button to redirect those people to your affiliate offer. And in the next page, this is your affiliate offer. But the most important thing about this funnel is that here, between these two steps, you're going to get two things: a name and an email address. And you're going to use this information, and also you need a software to do what is called email marketing. You need to build an email sequence, and in every email you're going to put your affiliate link, so you can send your offer to all the people that are interested in your offer. Right? And basically, this is the strategy that I did to make that high ticket sale or high ticket commission. $700, it's a good commission for one day, and I'm testing another strategies to see how I can scale this model. So if you're interested, guys, I'm going to put a link down below a button that is going to redirect you, if you click, to the high ticket offer that I'm promoting. The best thing about this offer, guys, is that the cost is only $7. So it has a lower cost, but you can earn 50% commission of the high ticket offer. And also, you're going to get information about how to promote that offer, which is basically what I'm explaining to you right now. So I hope that you stay safe, stay strong, guys, and talk to you soon. Bye.